Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see we've been talking about this in the room a ton. We're in a consolidation phase here. We're consolidating in a wide range, but hey, it's July. You know, it's happening on a larger scale. It's been an opportunity to do a ton of handles during the course of the day and weeks and months, and it's been a very profitable summer. But on the chart, it is a wide consolidation. We are setting up the next leg of the chart. You can see the Bollinger Bands tightening up. You can see the Bollinger Bandwidth coming in a big way. They haven't been this tight since this consolidation underneath the 50-day exponential moving average back in April. We've had two consolidations, one in April, the other in June. Each of those broke to the downside. So as this consolidates, if this continues, and it probably will for a couple few days, the winner of this is going to get the late summer heading into Labor Day leg of the market. What do the bulls want to do? The bulls want to get back here. They want to get right back here and try to deal with the 50-day. They want to deal with this price area in and around 4,000 to 4,100. The June 27, June 28 highs in and around 39.50 are coinciding with this declining 50-day exponential moving average. If the bulls win this consolidation, that's the initial area that's really going to be a battle. Now, yesterday, on a Monday, was all about battling over 3,900. And it was a battle that the bulls ultimately did not win. I mean, they bounced back overnight. But, you know, we've traveled down to test the new weekly pivot down at 38.30. So here's your hourly chart. 38.30.42 is your new weekly pivot. Remember, we were up 39.10, 39.08. Bell rang. We chopped a little bit. Ultimately, they couldn't deal with 3,900. 38.98 was the opening print from the regular session yesterday. You can see over the course of a couple of hours, into noontime, it had kind of probed 38.99, 38.98, and then it finally made a break of hourly mid-band. So we were looking at the hourly chart in the room yesterday talking about, well, we had a test Friday, and it held not once but twice. Coming down and testing it again is not a huge deal, but if it breaks and holds, then you start looking at things like weekly pivot, which we came down and did. Now, we consolidated above it over the course of Globex. We're back above the hourly mid-band, but it puts the bulls in a very vulnerable position because anything short of here is a lower high. You break the low from yesterday down at 38.20 quarter, and that is going to open up the pre-FOMC price down at 37.77 half. It's going to open up a couple of these areas that were pushed down on Friday that ultimately bounced, and you start to look at the lows from Thursday potentially. If you get above 39.10, if you convert that up and through, then as we mentioned on the daily chart, 39.50, the highs from June 27, June 28th, and that 50-day exponential moving average, which is right now 39.48, that tends to be your destination. So as far as what's happening right now, you got a lot going on at 38.50. You've got the 9-day exponential moving average, you've got the hourly mid-band, and you've got volume-weighted average price, VWAP. All of that is coming in at 38.50. Our proprietary moving average just above, call it 38.58. 5-minute mid, 38.65, and you can see, actually you can't see, because the line didn't populate on this chart. So hold please, and presto, the monthly pivot 38.70.33, which has been resistance in Globex. So we got into a little bit of a situation last week where it wanted to bounce between monthly pivot and weekly pivot. That was around Tuesday, Wednesday last week. Markets get habitual. May want to do that again today. If it does, then you're talking about a 30-40 handle range. That's definitely enough elbow room to get some things done. But bulls want to get over the top of monthly. Bulls want to get over the top of 39.10, go to work on 39.50. Bears convert 38.30, get back into 3800s, break those spike lows from Friday, try to get back into the 37.20 area. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.